Okay, moving to theorization. After you contextualize and you textualize, then you want to theorize. You want to make an argument. So you don't want to be summarizing. You just don't want to be reporting. You just don't want to say, this is what's in the text. This is what this quote says. You just don't want to be restating the obvious, okay? Everyone's read the text, right, in the class, right? So what you're trying to do is to stand out by making a unique sort of critique of the text, okay? So you want to theorize, you want to make an argument, okay, a thesis. So make an argument about the topic, question, or discourse utilizing the text as a tool among many other possible tools. You could use a lot of other texts, some other ideas you could use, but you're going to use this text. Show the multiple sides of the argument, right? Show that you're engaged in a long debate, a long traditional debate about the text. All the texts we read, believe me, people have been talking about them for years, if not centuries. So you're not, uh, you want to show that you know that there's a lot of debates, a lot of interpretations about the text, and so you're going to sort of be juggling them and looking at them, juxtaposing them, and then ultimately pushing one variation or the other. And then finally, with theorization, it's always good to blueprint how you're going to do it. So just be straight ahead with this, right? Just say, okay, this is my argument, and my argument can be broken down into three more specific ideas, and these three specific ideas can be explored in more specific parts of the text. Actually say, I will look at, problem 1A or, in this part of the text. Then when I go to problem 1B, I'm going to look at a different part of the text, okay? So that's what your theorization is about, your analysis, your sort of body paragraphs. Remind the reader what the argument is, the topic sentence. You want to isolate specific passages. This is where you do a close reading, okay? This is where you're, looking at a couple sentences or words, so analysis is all about close reading, again, not generalized reading. And you're transitioning between your major ideas, showing how they're connected, the subdivided ideas from your thesis. And then in the resolution, you're elegantly summarizing and contextualizing. This usually produces your title, and then you're moving on to the resolution, which is indicating what are the next steps? How can I use this analytic model in a different way, or go back to the text and use it again, okay?